City of New Orleans, Illinois Central Monday morning rain. 15 cars, 15 restless riders, 3 conductors, 25 sacks of ale. All along that southbound Odyssey, that train full out of Kankakee rolls along the highways, farms and fields, passing trains that have no names, freight yard full of old black men in the graveyard, rusted automobiles. Ah, good morning, America, how are ya? Now don't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm that train they call the City of New Orleans. Well, I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done, dealing cards with the old men in the club car. A penny a point, no one's keeping score. Pass the paper bag that holds the bottle. Feel the wheels rumbling beneath the floor. And the sons of Pullman porters, sons of engineers, ride their fathers' magic carpets made of steel. Mothers with their babes sleep, rocking to the gentle beat. Ah, the rhythm of the rails is all they feel. Ah, good morning, America, how are you? Ah, now don't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm the train they call the City of New Orleans. Well, I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done. Nighttime on the City of New Orleans. We're changing cars in Memphis, Tennessee. Halfway home, we'll be there by morning. Through the Mississippi darkness, rolling down to the sea. And all the towns and people seem to fade to a bad dream, and the steel rails still ain't heard the news. Hey, conductor, sing your songs again. You passengers, please refrain. This train's got the disappeared railway blues. Ah, good night, America, I love you. Don't you know me? I'm your native son. I'm that train they call the City of New Orleans. Well, I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done.